When the second sun rose for the first time, humanity thought it was witnessing a miracle. The dawn came earlier, the sky glowed twice as bright, and night seemed to vanish altogether. Two stars, one golden, one pale, burned side by side, chasing each other across the horizon. At first, the world celebrated. Energy became infinite. Solar panels overflowed with power, crops grew faster than ever, and deserts bloomed under the unrelenting light. Humanity entered what scientists called the Twin Age, a time of abundance and brilliance. But nature does not yield without a cost. With two suns in the sky, balance began to collapse. The nights shrank until they were barely hours long. Temperature soared, polar ice vanished within years, and oceans began to steam. The rhythm of day and night and the ancient heartbeat of Earth was broken. Animals were the first to suffer. Nocturnal creatures vanished as their habitats baked in constant light. Birds lost their migration patterns. Coral reefs, once colorful, bleached into pale skeletons under endless heat. Forests dried and cracked like skin left in the sun too long. Humans adapted as best they could. Cities built mirrored domes to reflect the excess sunlight, creating artificial shade beneath shimmering glass canopies. People moved underground during the dual noon, when both suns aligned and their combined light scorched the air to unbearable levels. There were new seasons now, not winter and summer, but the bright and the dim. During the bright, both suns filled the sky, making the world glow with blinding intensity. During the dim, one sun drifted farther in orbit, and shadows briefly returned. Sleep became difficult. Even with thick blinds, the constant glow seeped into homes. Scientists created dark chambers, sealed rooms where people could simulate night for their mental health. Darkness became a commodity, a form of therapy. Religions changed too. Temples were built with twin altars. Prayers whispered to the mother sun and the wanderer. Some called the second sun a savior. Others saw it as punishment for human arrogance. The sky itself became a stage for new myths. Centuries passed and the earth transformed. The poles melted completely, revealing new land beneath. Humanity learned to live in perpetual light. Skin grew darker to resist radiation, eyes evolved to filter glare, and society reshaped itself around the rhythm of fire instead of shadow. Artists painted in shades of gold and white. Poets wrote of nostalgia for night. A few ancient stories about stars and moonlight survived, Amadinos, whispers of a time when the sky went dark, and people dreamed beneath silence. And yet, deep underground, in the last remnants of what was once night, some still gathered to remember the old world. They lit a single candle, stared into its soft, flickering flame, and imagined a darkness they would never see again. Two suns had made Earth shine forever, but in doing so, they had erased its shadow. And without shadow, even light began to lose its meaning.